Sugar apple on stock. First time palang makakita ng Gabe nito. Pakita natin. Gabe, wake up. I'm gonna show you something.
What?
Grow a garden. Sugar apple on stock. That's the real fruit.
Thank you po, Daddy.
Mami nag-buy niyan. What will you say kay Mami?
Thank you po, Mami. Ito ko na po i-taste test po kasi hindi ko na po ma-wait.
Sige, go. Sugar apple on stock. Oh, marunong ka nang mag-eat. Yeah, do not eat the buto. How was it? Is it good?
It's sweet.
Sweet na? It's atis. Yun, very good oh. Galing na marunong agad kumain ng atis.
I got 2 of them.
Dami na. Dami ka nang na-eat eh. Pang half na yan halos eh. You like it?
Apo. Thank you po, Mami.
Sino yung ano? Ano yan? Ayan na yung seed.
Sugar apple on stock, guys. Buy na kayo and then plant nyo. Meron na kayong sugar apple.
Yes. Ano ba yung sugar apple doon? Anong type?
Prismatic.
Prismatic.
There's only a small chance to get it. And if you wanna buy it, you have to have 25 million.
Oo. Eh, madami ka naman ng money doon eh.
Yeah,
No?
I have 2 trillion.
May good thing din pala doon sa sa Grow a Garden. Kasi nakikilala nila yung mga fruits, no? Tagalog pala ng sugar apple is?
Atis.
Atis.
And did you know that I only have 1 trillion na lang because I gave the other 1 trillion to Mommy.
Okay, that's all.
Peace.
Thumbs up. Follow for more.
Follow for more or else you're gonna miss this in stock. The seed shop has been reset. The seeds that are in stock is carrot,